Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the book of memes. So, last time I said I am very bullish on the book of memes, and that holds true. Look, we may go up 5% down or 5% up in the short term, but what you should be concerned about is the long term view. And if you had bought at 1 cent, hey, you may be down like 20% or maybe 15% already. But when it goes up 500%, 1000%, 1500%, 2000%, these small corrections like we're having right now, these won't matter. And that is why it is very important to see the bigger picture. You see, if you want to make generational wealth with very little sum, or substantial wealth with very little sum, it's very important that you see the bigger picture, that you trade on bigger frames. I like to trade on at least 1 week or 2 week. And when I enter a trade, I always look at the monthly chart as well. So if I see that a MACD cross is going to happen on the monthly chart, that gives us an idea like, hey, let's get ready for the next big pump. And that is why I like to trade on bigger time intervals. Back in 22 December, I was bullish on Bitcoin. I turned bullish because I saw a cross on the MACD on the 2-week time frame. So we all know how that turned out. So right now, this is the daily chart. All right, so every single bar represents 1 week worth of price action. Below that, we have this MACD indicator. We are also using some moving averages here. The white one is 21-day SMA, followed by the yellow one, which is the 55-day SMA, and other ones are 100-day SMA. And what you don't see on the screen is 200-day SMA, because the chart which is from Binance, it's not 200 days old. All right, I don't even think that the book of memes is 200 days old. I don't know, I could be wrong, but hey, right now we are looking at the Binance exchange chart because that is where the most liquidity is. So yeah. So on the 1D chart, you can see that we flipped green quite a while back, and we went down to as low as 6,200 on the dollar scale. And since then, we have successfully recovered to 8,700, 0.008700. Right now, we are doing pretty good, I would say. We recovered very well. We saw massive buying pressure, which is why you see the VIX, and these are bullish VIX, all right? So we have a strong buying pressure here. And the long term of the BOME can be compared to the long term of the Pepe charts, all right? So Pepe is doing extremely nice in terms of market cap. And if BOME achieves that kind of market cap, the price would be insane. You could be looking at 8 cents easily, maybe more than that. So yeah, I'm very bullish on BOME. If you switch to 3D chart, where every single bar represents 3 days worth of price action, you can see that we are doing very well, and we have recovered very well from the bottom as well. I will not switch to 2-week chart or the monthly chart because there is not enough data. If you switch to 12 If you switch to 12 or let's switch to 4 hours instead, or 8 hours. Nah, let's switch to 4 hours instead. So on the 4 hour, you can see that we are about to have a bullish cross on to the green side. However, a little bit of worrying thing is that our 21-day SMA is now coming down, and it is about to have a cross with the, I think, with the 55-day SMA, right? So that's not good. But long term, we're all set. We are very bullish on BOME. So what are the price targets I'm looking at? Look, first, obviously, I would like it to surpass its all-time high on Binance, which is about 16 or 17 cents. So yeah, 16 cents is my target. After that, I'll know the history. I'll be using Fibonacci on the screen, and you can see the various targets. I'm not trying to get you guys euphoric, but yeah, I mean, if the Solana goes up, we will see strong momentum to the upside. So yeah, I do see if we attain market cap of somewhere like of Pepe, we will be hovering at around 10 cents, 15 cents easily. So yeah, and that would create a lot of FOMO, and people will say, hey, you were lucky to buy a BOME sub 1 cent. And that is when you have to tell yourself, hey, maybe this is now the time to sell, because every Tom, Dick, and Harry are buying these meme coins here and there, and that is when you know that the cycle major top is around the corner. So yeah, so that's all about it. Stay focused, and when the euphoria comes, when you see a lot of crypto ads around, you will know it's now time to sell. But I think the Bitcoin will be making a new all-time high, together with an all-time high on the BOME chart as well. That's all about it. Hope you like this video, and stay subscribed for more price analysis videos like these. Bye bye.